Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make an apron out of basic rectangle shapes. This is what the apron looks like when it's all flattened out. And this is what the apron looks like on a human body. So for this one, we're going to do just this half of the apron, which will then give us both sides if we cut two. This pattern has two pieces, the body and the pockets. And we will do both of those on the fold to make sure that it's exactly symmetrical on both sides. The basic measurements we'll go with is 16 by 28. And what you want to do is get a piece of paper that is at least 28 inches long and at least 8 inches wide. You'll need a ruler and a pencil. Find the middle and go from there. It's roughly here. Use your ruler or a square to get a right angle. And since we want the pattern to be a total of 28 inches long, we'll need it to be 14 inches on either side of that center line. Let's go ahead and measure and mark that. 14. And make square lines away from the fold at each 14-inch mark. And there is the length of your apron. From there, on each end, measure 8 inches from the fold and mark. Measure ½ inch from the end and draw a line. And this is your seam allowance. It's going to be ½ inch on everywhere but the neck seam. Mark it on this side as well. And go ahead and mark it along here as well. To draw a square extended line, you can go ahead and use that center line to get square. Mark your ½ inch seam allowance. And you are welcome to write top and bottom so you know which side is which. This is the outside of the apron and this is the center front. So measure 4½ inches and 4 from this outside edge. Mark 4 inches and 4½. Mark a square line 6½ inches down on the topmost line. And then you can make a square line from there, from that 6½ inch mark to the fold, to the center of the garment. And here is your neck hole. At 3 3/4, this is your neck seam allowance. So it's 1/4 inch and 1/4 inch. From the bottom, you're going to want to mark 10½ inches from the bottom, and that is the line where the pocket goes. Make a square line in that direction and label the lines, middle, center, so I don't get confused. And this is pocket line. You can use something like a glass, or if you have it, French curve, and you can go ahead and curve the sides, the inside of the neckline. When you cut this out, you'll want to either use weights and a rotary cutter, or you'll want to staple or tape the edges together to make sure that you get it nice and square and even on the fold. You can use a ruler, a thick acrylic ruler, or a metal ruler if you'd like to be dead on, but you also just freehand it like I'm about to do here. Remember to cut on the outermost line, not the inside line, as that is your seam line, not your cut line. And there you have it. Now, is the pocket piece. And if you want, you can even use the pattern piece you just made. Make this quick and dirty. Use weights to hold it. Trace around the bottom. Around the side. Really close on the paper here. You can mark that this is where it hits. Both sides. You can also measure that. And then you have your shape. Square line. Pocket hem, we're going to do a twice turn 1/2 inch hem. So add 1 inch to the top line. And same for this one. Be sure to put the weights on or tape your edges together, or stapling is ideal. Keep it nice and even if you're rotary cutting. Easy peasy, your pocket piece is finished. You check your work by putting your pocket on top of your pattern, and when it's hemmed, will it hit the pocket line? It looks great. All done.